Assalamu alaikum, viewers. How are you? Okay, so as promised, I'm here with the session on the VBA, Visual Basic for Application. Here, this is a very powerful interface of Excel, and it allows you to automate the things, and it provides you the taste of speed and accuracy, the both. Uh, you can do the things quickly and with precision, with without errors, and right, unless you have the error in the coding, which is not really when you work on it, means most of your typing mistakes are avoided by means of this VBA use. So when you use the VBA, you have two things in your mind, that you want the things to happen uh, precisely without errors, and the other is you get the things quickly. Mm. So all the steps are catered into the code, and you don't have to worry anything about the steps. All you need to do is to click the button. All right. So this is a wonderful tool. So in this video, we will start with your first Hello World program, right? The first thing you do is you save it. You save the Excel file and you change the type of it as a I prefer the Excel Binary Workbook, right? And here you can type my first VBA. Okay, my first VBA. You can hyphenate. Yeah, you can use underscore in it for better readability. And you can choose the folder where you want it to stay. For example, VBA, and you have here the folder which is called Hello World. Hello World. Yeah. So this is the first thing you have done, that you have saved it. What is the next thing you do is you can go to the develop tab, right? If you don't have develop tab, you can go to the file, you go to the options. In the option, you customize the ribbon, and here you have a developer tab which is unticked. So you check it. So this check mark is placed. It means now you have a developer tab in your ribbon. So this is the ribbon home, and in the last you will have, yeah, in the last one you will have the developer tab. Yeah, before after the view you have the developer tab. That's it. Okay, so here you have the option to go to the Visual Basic, and here you can add a module, right? So this gives you a whiteboard for you in which you can write your first program. So here you will write your all programs have to start with sub, sub, and then you name it. You say hello world, and press enter, it will bring the end sub itself. You don't have to type it, right? And it will also bring this bracket parenthesis, and this is system generated. So we keep it like that, okay? So here, whatever you will write, this is going to be treated as your instruction, and computer has to follow it. So we want here what MsgBox, and here we will say my first VBA program, right? Okay, so that's it. Your program is ready. So how to run it? You have to go to view, you have to go to macro. In the view macro, you will have a hello world. And here you will run it, and it will follow your instruction to display the message box. Click OK, that's it. So you have started developing the program in the VBA, and you have learned how to display a message. Whatever the message you want, you can enclose it in the quotes. The pressing Alt F11 will take you back to your program where you have been. Write something it is here. For example, whatever you write here, you want your name to be appearing here, you can do this. For example, you say application dot username. Yeah, username. What is the username? Whatever is it, it is going to be displayed. And vbCr means a carriage written, pressing enter, and then my first program. Okay, so let's see how it's going to display it. View macro, and you will run this macro, right? So yeah, so the username is Dell, and it is writing my first program. Okay, so whatever you do to make the changes, they are going to be reflected by this message box command. Okay, for example, you want the file path of this program file to appear also. Okay, then you press enter, and you say this workbook dot path. Okay, wherever it is stored, so it should be with the carriage vbCr, and so that for readability purposes, it will show you the name, username, then press enter, then say my first program, then press enter, and the file which is running it, the name of this file, the path, right? So let's run it here again. Macro run. Yeah, Dell, this is this. It is located where? It is on the E drive. There is a folder Amjad. There is a folder which we created VBA and Hello World, and that's it. So you keep on doing, you can share this. And if you want to change these things, for example, if you run it and you see here it's Microsoft Excel written. Instead of Microsoft Excel, I want something else to appear here, okay? Instead of so this is called the title bar of it, right? So let's see, how can we do this? Alt F11, You go there, and here after comma, here we put comma, right? We say comma, this is the title. You see, the Visual Basic itself guiding you. This is the place, whatever you write here, it's going to appear. So you say, yeah, yeah, Pakistan. Or okay, right. So what would happen that as soon you run this command, yeah, yeah, instead of Microsoft Excel, it will write Pakistan Zindabad. Del, this, and okay. So you know how to change the title of the the box, right? And so this was your first program. I hope you liked it, and in the next we will further develop it. We will tell you some more commands, and gradually you will be start writing your own programs. And let me have your feedback. And if you have any queries, please do write it to me. Don't hesitate in writing to me any questions, and I would love to answer your queries. Thank you very much.